Feeling tired, stressed, or sore? You might be missing one of the most important minerals in your body, magnesium. Magnesium is a macro mineral, meaning your body needs it in large amounts, and it plays a role in over 300 enzyme reactions. You'll find it naturally in foods like nuts, bran, dark chocolate, and molasses. But for many people, that's just not enough. So what does magnesium actually do? Let's break it down with its proven health benefits. Reduces fatigue. Magnesium contributes directly to energy-yielding metabolism, meaning if you're constantly tired or battling fatigue, low magnesium could be the missing link. Relieves stress and supports your nervous system. Magnesium is often called the anti-stress mineral because it helps regulate your nervous system and psychological function. Feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or mentally foggy? Magnesium might help bring your body back into balance. Supports muscle function and recovery. Muscle cramps, spasms, or weakness? Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and relaxations, working closely with calcium to keep your body moving the way it should, especially during training and recovery. Builds strong bones and teeth. Magnesium is essential for the maintenance of normal bones and teeth, and it works best when paired with calcium and zinc. That makes it vital for osteoporosis prevention and bone healing, especially after fractures. Boosts mood and brain function. Magnesium contributes to normal psychological function and protein synthesis, a double boost for your mood, focus, and even memory. Supports electrolyte balance. Sweat a lot? Train hard? Magnesium is crucial for keeping your electrolytes balanced, especially if you're an athlete or live an active lifestyle. Here's something you won't find on the label. Low magnesium levels have also been anecdotally linked to migraines and kidney stones. While more research is needed, some studies suggest supplementation may help reduce migraine frequency and possibly prevent calcium buildup in the kidneys. Supplement tips. Magnesium often comes as magnesium oxide or magnesium citrate. The citrate form may be more bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs it better. Take magnesium on its own, or pair it with calcium for bone strength, zinc for muscle repair and protein synthesis, vitamin B complex to support your nervous system, valerian or lavender oil for sleep and nighttime muscle relaxation. But remember, magnesium competes with other minerals for absorption, so a well-rounded multivitamin may help ensure proper balance. Safety note. While magnesium is generally safe, it may cause mild diarrhea in some people, especially at high doses. And if you have kidney disease, talk to your doctor first before using magnesium supplements. Let's recap. Magnesium powers your energy, mood, muscles, and bones. It may help reduce fatigue, stress, cramps, migraines, and more. Yet most people don't get enough. So if you're looking for a simple way to feel better, move better, and think clearer, magnesium may be your missing link. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more life-changing supplement breakdowns, only on Vital Elixir. Power your body, calm your mind, strengthen your core, but always talk to your doctor first.